Crypto Moonshots. Great to have you guys back here, man. So let's jump straight into it. So yesterday we're talking about, right? We're talking about that it's most likely going to come down, right, to this area. And I told you guys, and you can look at yesterday's video if you don't believe me, but I told you guys this is where I'm going to buy, right? This is where I'm going to set my limit to buy, and it hit, right? So I bought some right here, right? So the question I want to answer is, why isn't it going up? Why isn't it going up? And I told you guys, if you guys have been following my content, I told you guys that I don't think, I really don't think that it's going to pass through this level. Okay, I think let me give you some reasons why. And before I get into that, I just ordered a new mic, which is coming in tomorrow. And join the Telegram group if you want to. It's in the description below. And thank you guys so much for the support. So if we look here, right, it held as support this weekly, and this is based off the weekly, right? This right here, these blue lines are weeklies, right? The top of the swing high and the the bottom of the swing low, right? So these are strong levels. Okay, so let's take a look. I told you guys that I don't think it's going to pass through this 0.008 level because it held as support, right? One time, two time, if you want to count this, three times, right? And then, we've kind of been predicting this on my channel over the past few days, and I said that, it's going to get rejected here, and it did, and then it came back down. And I told you guys that I'm buying down here, okay? I still stand by that, guys. I still stand by that. That's what technical analysis is telling me. Obviously, I can be wrong. Technical analysis can be wrong. But I still stand by that. Okay, I still stand by that, and I bought, and so I'm in with you guys. If you guys are holding, I'm in with you. So we can just hope for the best. Now let's look at some possibilities, some price predictions over the next few days. Okay, so some possibilities is that it could come touch this line, and it's almost there, right? It's almost there. It doesn't even have to come touch it, right? It could, it could go up from here, right? But again, I don't think it's going to come down and cross that line. I don't think that's going to happen, okay? Hopefully, when we come back in the next few days, hopefully that doesn't happen, but that's not going to happen, okay? In my opinion. So I think it's going to touch this line, and then two things can happen, right? And I told you guys in previous videos that there's a possibility it gets rejected here and then consolidates, and then shoots up, right? But like I mentioned in my last video, I think that we're due for another run with Ecomi. Why is that? There's just too much hype around it. Like, look, this is one run, right? This is two runs, right? And it's correcting, and this one corrected as well, right? This one corrected as well, right? So I think we're due for another run. I still stand by that, okay? And what I think is going to happen is that it's only up from here, okay? And I truly do think so, that we can pass this weekly level. I truly do think that, okay? I think that if we go on a major run, right, which we should very soon, hopefully, right, fingers crossed. If we go on a major run, right, I think this is going to be cake for it, right? Again, it depends on what the run is, right? What kind of run it is. If it's like, forming big candles like this one, right? If it's forming big candles like these two right there, right? Then, I'll be confident and say that, yeah, it might go up here and then start consolidating here and then drop back down and then, do its thing, okay? So that's that, okay? So let's kind of zoom in here and see what's kind of going on. So it's approaching this line, right, which I told you guys is going to bounce back, okay? And after it does that, or, this might be the bottom itself, right? Doesn't really matter, that's, a minor change, maybe like 2, 3, 4%, right? Once it touches here or stays right there, right? It might, if you want to scalp, and you want to, you're good with, 5%, 5% gains, then you could, I would buy right now. Hopefully, I'm going to upload this video soon, so I would buy right now and then set your target sell right there. If you just want to scalp, just quick profits, right? If you're a long-term holder, hold, don't sell, just hold it. And that's what I would do if you want to just scalp real quick, because I truly don't think it's going to pass that, and I think it's guaranteed to go up to here. So that's like a guaranteed 5%, right? Not guaranteed, it's not financial advice. You know what I mean. All right, you know what I mean. So another possibility, right, is that it could go up, right? But will it get rejected at this level? Will it get rejected at this level? As you can see, it got rejected once, right? Twice. And I told you guys, the more it touches that line, the more chance it's going to have of crossing it. Okay. So is it going to get rejected there? Again, I told you, how big are the candles, right? Are we talking about, like big candles, or are we talking about, small, tiny candles? Because if it's like small, tiny candles going up, down, consolidating, yeah, it's going to get rejected. Okay, it's going to get rejected. But if we're talking big candles, not only do I think it's going to pass this, the red line is the daily, right? Not only do I think it's going to pass the daily level of resistance, but I think it's going to pass the weekly as well. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking, guys. Yeah, this one's a kind of like a shorter video. Not much has changed, and yeah, be optimistic. I'm pretty confident. I'm gonna put myself out there. I'm gonna be bold, and I'm gonna say confidently that this is gonna go up. Okay, I'm confident about that. And if I'm wrong, then it's gonna hurt. But I'm gonna risk my whatever you call it, my predictions, right? Because I've been right a lot. I've been wrong before too, but I've been right more than wrong. And I'm gonna put myself out there, and I'm gonna say I'm very confident that this is going to go up. I'm very confident. Okay? So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thanks for tuning in. And please hit the subscribe and hit the bell for when I drop videos. And yeah, have a great one, man. Thank you.